Madaming nagtatanong na, Mark, paano ba maging professional na videographer? Mark, paano ba maging magaling sa pag-edit? Ewan ko, di naman ako si Mark eh.
Baliw! Sino pa si Mark?
Ayun no?
Professional videographer ba hanap ninyo? Magaling mag-edit? Mark Erosio Oranyo, 16 years old. Nakatira lang dyan oh, sa 11B.
Weh, legit ka ba?
Ayaw maniwala. Tara.
Liga. Sir. Hey,
What's your name, sir?
I'm Terrence. Holy shit! Yes.
My name is Mark, sir, and your outfit is so
thank
good
you,
today.
sir. Thank you,
I'm a
thank you.
professional videographer and
Oh.
photographer, sir. Can I take a picture of you, sir?
Oh, yeah, sure,
Oh, sure.
sure.
Come here, sir. Come here. Yeah, like that, sir. Yes, like that, sir. Like that. That's good, sir. That's good. Yes, like that, sir. Very good, sir. You're so handsome, sir. Nice. Sir, here is the final output, sir.
You're wasting my time.
Sir, wait. I will make you handsome like Daniel Padilla, sir. What do you think, sir? Like magic, sir, magic.
Magic?
Magic. Okay, you trust me?
Yes, I'll trust
Sure. Okay. Daniel Padilla. Oh, that's right, Daniel Padilla. Okay. Stay still, sir. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hell no, this is not Daniel Padilla.
My mistake, sir. My mistake.
Do it again, alright? I will trust you now.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Sabi ko.
This is so handsome.
Oh, good. Oh. Sir, let me go, sir.
Alright, I want my face now.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Check.
Okay, that's the right one. That's the
Sir,
right
let me
one.
ask you a question, sir. What do you do for a living?
Oh, that's a good question, you know? What I do for living is I'm an head chef from Sub-Saharan.
Sub-Saharan?
Yes.
Sir, I have a surprise for you.
Alright.
Good news. Can you close your eyes, sir?
Alright, just
three.
count.
2, 1. Ano? Naniniwala ka na?
Legit nga.
Hindi lang sa pag-edit, pati rin sa pag-acting. Why are you taking it against me na minarating ako sa buhay? Why? Is it my fault that I choose to stay and study? Baliw! Kaya ano pa hinihintay ninyo? Magaling mag-edit, magaling mag-video, magaling mag-acting. Cute, gwapo! Tomboy! Baliw! Kaya kung ako ang hinahanap ninyo, ito lang pala yung mga contact information ko. Kaya na bahala.